Hello and a very good evening. According to media reports in Manila, Philippine Secretary for Justice Leila de Lima will come to Hong Kong tomorrow to meet with survivors and families of the victims of the 2010 Manila bus hostage tragedy. But those affected by the incident say they haven't heard anything about a meeting with the Philippine officials so far. Evelyn Leung tells us more.
The Philippine news organization ABS-CBN's website reported today that Secretary for Justice Leila de Lima is set to travel to Hong Kong on Monday. She will be giving survivors and family members of fatal victims of the 2010 Manila hostage-taking incident an update on the Philippine government's investigation into the case. The report says it is unclear whether de Lima will be carrying a letter of apology from President Benigno Aquino. However, there are also reports in the Philippines that the Justice Secretary has no plans to come to Hong Kong. In Hong Kong, Che Chi-kin, the elder brother of the slain tour guide Ma Sa-tse, said they haven't heard anything about a meeting with de Lima so far. He expressed disappointment over the lack of development in the case. We met with the Secretary for Justice 2 years ago, and nothing came out of the meeting. If we get to meet with her again this time, we want her to respond to our demands, he said. On lawmaker Regina Ip's suggestion that the Hong Kong government should set up a fund to compensate those affected by the tragedy, Tse said this is not what they want. Why should the Hong Kong government offer us a compensation when it's the Philippine government's responsibility? We want justice, he said. Ip also said today that imposing a ban on Filipino domestic helpers won't help the situation, noting that Filipino helpers account for half the foreign domestic helpers here in Hong Kong. We need to think about exactly who will suffer from the ban, she said. It will most likely be local families, Ip added.
Some politicians called on the public to boycott Philippine products and to write letters to the Philippine Consulate General here in Hong Kong to express their discontent towards President Benigno Aquino. Evelyn Leung, TVB News.